Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I think today's video is going to make a really cool one. I'm going to do a facelift on Darlene. I've got a brand new billet phantom grille we're going to throw on there, some LED headlights, a new bumper. I think it's going to be awesome. I am so excited for this phantom grille, you guys. I've wanted to do one of these for a really long time. Ooh.
Oh, dude. I can't wait to get that on there. That's the one that goes over the headlights?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Oh, man, that's going to be awesome.
All right, this is my brand new bumper. Oh, really? There's another box.
A box in a box. Awesome.
That's real nice. Alright, dude.
Come on, get it open, girl. Killing me. You're the worst unboxer ever.
Let's look at it, dude.
That's nice. That's going to look good on there. It doesn't have any, make sure there's no dents, no scratches anywhere.
Didn't give us any screws, though.
We're going to use our screws. You probably have to order those separate, but ours are fine.
So, shiny.
Yeah, that's going to be a major upgrade.
Heck yeah. Cool. I
Cool.
need to stop fingerprinting.
So you got
it
both
up.
ends now?
Yeah, they're in these boxes up here.
Yeah. All right, let's get to it. Let's hold up. Hold up. You've really got to get. You got to get better at this unboxing thing.
Okay, so I'm gonna start by removing the grill. That's it. I think so. Okay, so in order to get that phantom grille look that we want to cover the headlights, I've got to put my headlights back here. So I've got to make room for them. So I got to take this battery out. Oh, I got it. Okay.
Alrighty.
Now this thing.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to get that out of the way too, because your headlight's gonna sit like right here. So at least get it out of the way for now. We may have to relocate it. We'll see. Okay.
So, alright, so I'm gonna get this headlight out and then we'll start the relocation process. Alright, here's my brand new LED headlights.
Oh, cool.
Okay, so these headlights need to come back here now. They usually sit out here, but with the way that grill is going to go, we need it to cover up the headlights and it would stick too far out. So to get it to fit back here, we're going to need to cut this little piece off. So we'll go do that. Wait, are my eyebrows being pushed down? They look like a mad dog. Okay, so I've got this little outline here where I'm gonna cut. So the boot on my old headlights sticks out way too far, and my new LED headlights don't have that. So I'm gonna take all this off. We're gonna go ahead and get this swapped out to see if it'll fit a little better. Okay, so I got a little carried away when I was trimming that back a little bit, and we lost a bolt hole. I've got, let's see, 1, 2 others. So this will give our third one back. I'm just gonna do little tack welds. Okay, so we've got that all tacked in. I'm gonna go ahead and dust it with some spray paint. That way it's not just bare metal. While I'm letting all this dry up over here, I'm gonna go ahead and get the headlight and the bucket and everything off on the driver's side. Alright, we've got this all trimmed up and fitting now. I'm going to get it all spray painted and then we'll get it bolted in. And I think it'll be time to bolt in the LED headlights and throw that grill on. Alright, let's get this bucket put back in. There we go.
Just like that.
Boom. That looks so pretty. Alright, so I'm trying to get this bumper unbolted.
There you go. Hold your hand out. There we go, okay. Now let's unplug our lights.
Alright guys, these are my brand new marker lights. I've got some clear ones because I think they'll look a lot cooler. Heck yeah, it's got the new shiny.
Okay.
Oh. Alright, so I've got these bumper brackets from my old one. We're going to transfer them over to the new one. Alright, I don't know if you guys noticed, but the new bumper did not come with the bumper ends, so I had to order new ones, and then we're going to reuse the bolts off of the old ones.
Easy now.
We have technical difficulties here.
Hey.
Bro.
Aw.
Really?
Dude.
Brand new.
There we go.
Oh.
There we go.
All right, y'all. So these don't fit. This is the wrong. I don't even know what these go through. Show them. Look at that. They're about a mile too long. I mean, not even close.
No mount.
They're not the right shape. Nothing. I don't know what they sent us, but it was not for a Nissan Hardbody. Oh, this is becoming a trend, huh?
Yep.
That's all right. Send them back. We'll get the right ones. But for now, we can still get the bumper on. All right. So for now, we're just going to reuse these. Mm-hmm. They're not in good shape, but we'll dust a little black paint on them or something, make them look a little bit nicer until she can get the right parts in. Oh well, it'll be all right. It'll still look good. Don't be all bummed out. Look at you. Oh my God. It'll be fine. You might as well get used to this. This is the way it goes when you're dealing with aftermarket and all that. You're gonna always get stuff that don't fit right. The wrong parts, broken parts. Yeah, it's good times.
Okay, so I've got some spray-on lens tint, and I'm gonna tint my signal lights. This just takes a couple of light coats. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry for a few minutes and then I'll probably hit it with 2 more coats. And so that's what it'll look like when it's done. Okay, so I already put my grill on here, got it all lined up and everything. I have to drill me a couple little mounting holes. Don't look at my green finger, it's hair dye. Alright, so I've got my holes drilled. This should just go right on there.
Okay, I'm gonna go on. There, like that. Slide it down your groove. That ought to be pretty close. See how close we are.
So I'm thinking today I'm gonna paint my wheels. I've already kind of got started on it. I'm gonna paint this inside black and leave the lip chrome. So I've already got them cleaned up and I'm scuffing them up a little bit to give the etch something to stick to. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. Okay, so I've got this self-etching primer that I'm gonna do a light coat on the bare metal. Okay, so I let that etch primer dry for about 20 minutes. I just did a really light coat. Now I'm gonna go through with my glossy black paint and do a couple coats of that. Okay, show me. Oh my goodness. I love it. Even though we found out that's not really a billet grill, it's alright. I think it looks awesome. Love how those signal lights turned out all tinted. That was a good idea, Dad. What do you guys think we should do with those marker lights? You think we should tint those too or just leave them clear? I think it looks pretty clean. Just gonna take her to the car wash. I love it. All right, you guys, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about those marker lights, if we should tint those too. I think I'm gonna get out of here for now. Leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff is very much appreciated. I do go through and read those. I'll leave a link down below for my Instagram. You guys kind of get sneak peeks. It's pretty cool. You should go follow me on there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next episode.